All right. No title for this one. Written July 19th, 2007. Um, Gosh, I'll give it a title later. All right. Again, it has risen to the height, scratching my head in wonderment. How quickly everything has changed. Draw it back and see it grow, thrive temporarily, affected by the rains. They sweep in, the sun changes, chases it away. There seems to be a game afoot in the skies. A series of records are threatening to fall. Socks pulled over my jeans, long sleeve white tee soaked down with repellent, sweat pouring before one blade is even severed. The baby bunnies run amok through mama's melon patch. They love the buds, but have spared the vines for the most part. Lightning dispatched that tree's branch a month ago. It still is in the process of decay. The pale yellow butterflies greet me with a kiss. I can't quite shoo them away. They seem to love my upper lip. I give into their affections. Then soon they fly on. When appeased, the fire ants are doused with gasoline. The wasp with their personalized spray. The frogs leap for safety's haven. The crickets too. Not quite a zoo, but country life will do. Again, in 3 days or so, I will be kissed by the pale yellow butterflies. I dare not deny them their kisses. So, 2007, I've been back in Texas, in the country, my grandfather's property, for 2 years, 3 months or so. And it started growing a watermelon patch. And I remember this time. And I don't like bugs, so obviously I'm trying to kill all the bugs in the country. Um, not a fan. Not a fan. I don't want to kill every bug in the world, but just the ones around me. Y'all can have the rest. So this I'll call kisses from butterflies. Okay, nice time. Very nice time of respite in my life. Enjoy your Saturday.